Hi Molins Horror Festival. I'm sorry I can't be there. I fled to Tokyo after the election. I'm sure you can understand why. I'm so excited that you guys are watching Darling this evening, and I'm with you in spirit and in bloody gore funness. But I wanted to share a fun fact with you guys. So for the shower scene that you'll see a couple times in this movie, it was about this time a couple years ago that we shot, so it was November, it was in New York City, it was fucking freezing, and for whatever reason, that particular shower, now this is a huge house, there's about 8 different rooms and about 4 showers, but this one was the one that we decided to go with for, aesthetic reasons. There was no hot water, none at all. So Mickey, in between scenes, was boiling water in a tea kettle and then pouring it over my head so that I didn't die. Yeah, I don't know, have fun.